Keune Semi Color is an exceptional, ammonia-free, tone-on-tone color, formulated with exclusive Silsoft technology. This technology offers extra shine, extra color, and extra durability. Because of this amazing technology, Semi Color is the perfect color choice for a first-time color service on natural hair, an intense tone-on-tone coloring, gray blending, refreshing length and ends, pastel formulas on previously lightened hair, and a tint-back formula when taking a guest darker. When using Keune Semi Color, it's important to know it's a demi-permanent color, which means it contains a blend of oxidative and non-oxidative dyes. It has a mixing ratio of 1 part color to 2 parts semi-activator or semi-red activator. The processing time is 20 minutes, and it's designed to be applied to damp hair. This ammonia-free color offers shine and condition to the hair with a pleasant fragrance. No heat is required or recommended. Semi shades can be found in the Keune Color swatchbook by locating a circle in the top right-hand corner of the shades. Any shade with a circle can be intermixed together to create unlimited possibilities. Just like Tintacolor, Semi Color has a vast color palette able to achieve any end result. Semi Color provides natural shades, fashion shades, intense fashion shades, red infinity shades, mixed colors, clear, and specialty shades such as silver, gray, and silver lilac. Color characters in Semi Color are the same tonalities as in Tintacolor, making it easy to match your guest's mid-length and end color when refreshing. The color composition is also the same breakdown as Tintacolor. Please refer to the Color Basics video for more information on color composition. Keune recommends for a first-time color to cleanse the hair with Design Clarify Shampoo. Semi Color is designed to be mixed with its dedicated semi-activators. Semi-activator can be mixed with any semi-color shade to produce a beautiful tone-on-tone coloring. Semi-red activator is designed to be used with red shades level 1 through 5. The strength of this activator is slightly higher. It works to expose the underlying pigment at a level 1 through 5 to intensify the red shade applied. If we look at the underlying pigment chart, you'll see that the contributing pigment at these levels is red. For more information on semi-activators and mixing ratios, you can refer to the quick reference guide on the back of the Keune Color swatchbook. Example on how to use Semi Color for first-time color use. First, cleanse the hair with Design Clarify Shampoo. Towel dry the hair and apply 30 milliliters of Keune Semi Color plus 60 milliliters of Semi Color Activator from scalp to ends and process for 20 minutes. Emulsify with water and rinse thoroughly. Cleanse with Tinta After Color Shampoo and After Color Balsam. For a repeat treatment, cleanse the hair with Design Clarify Shampoo. Use Semi Color and Activator in a 1:2 mixing ratio. Mix well and apply the color to regrowth on towel-dried hair and process for 10 minutes. Distribute through length and ends and process for an additional 10 minutes. Emulsify with water, rinse thoroughly, and cleanse with After Color Shampoo and After Color Balsam. Keune Semi Color is designed to bring out your personal creativity as a colorist. That's why Keune has supplied you with Semi Color Clear. Semi Color Clear is a neutral shade without color pigments, which makes it great for a glossing service. This separate salon service can add money to your average service ticket while providing your guests with shiny, youthful hair. The mixing ratio is still the same, 1:2 with Semi-Activator, and has a processing time of 20 minutes. Semi Color Clear is also perfect as a base for creating pastel shades. These shades are designed for pre-lightened hair level 10 or higher. The formula to achieve pastel shades is 30 milliliters Semi Color Clear, 5 milliliters of the desired Semi Color fashion shade or mixed color, and 70 milliliters of Semi Color Activator. Process time is 15 to 20 minutes. For infinite possibilities within the Semi Color palette and to increase the Semi Color assortment, mix the formula with Semi Color Clear. By using a 1-to-1 ratio, 1 part semi-color fashion shade with 1 part semi-color clear, the desired end result will become 1 color shade lighter, but with the same color tone. For example, if the desired end result is semi-color 7.3, by looking at the Keune Color swatch book, we know that it is not available within the range. This color can be easily created by mixing the following formula: 30 milliliters semi-color 6.3 dark golden blonde plus 30 milliliters semi-color clear, mixed with 120 milliliters semi-color activator. When performing a Tintacolor service at the base, Keune recommends refreshing length and ends with semi-color. This is called the dual color technique. Because semi-color is designed for towel-dried hair, this formula contains clear to compensate for being applied to dry hair. Start by applying the desired Tintacolor shade to the roots. Process for 10 minutes. Apply 40 milliliters of the desired semi-color shade, 20 milliliters of semi-color clear, mixed with 120 milliliters of semi-color activator. Process for 20 minutes. Rinse and cleanse using Aftercolor shampoo and Aftercolor balsam. Keune has provided you with 3 specialty shades that can be used to create beautiful, on-trend end results. Silver is perfect to offer soft neutralization on level 9 or 10 hair or to freshen up gray hair. It can also be mixed with semi-color fashion shade to provide a cooler end result. Silver Lilac is a beautiful pastel shade that performs best when applied to pre-toned level 9 or 10 hair. This shade looks amazing when paired with other fashion shades. Semi-color gray has a mix of violet and ash tonalities, making it great for hair at a level 7 or higher. At a level 7 and 8, you will notice more neutralization of tone, and at lighter levels, you will achieve more gray deposit. To achieve a true gray tone, we suggest pre-toning the hair first and then applying your semi-color shade. Gray can also be mixed with clear to create unlimited possibilities. Semi-mixed colors are designed to help offer neutralization or personalization in your semi-color formulas. Your semi-mixed color options are 0/11 ash blue, 0/33 gold, 0/44 copper, 0/66 red, and 0/77 violet. These tones can be easily located in the swatch book by finding the semi-color icon. These 5 colors can be added to any semi-color shade. No extra semi-color activator is needed. The recommended mixing ratio for semi-color mixed colors is on the direction insert in every semi-color box. This chart shows you how much mixed color can be added in at different levels based on a full tube amount. Keune recommends finishing every color service with the Aftercolor program. Please refer to the Aftercolor maintenance video for more information on in-salon color care and home maintenance. For more information on semi-color and the semi-color assortment, please refer to the Keune Color swatch book or the Keune Color manual. For more information or to advance your education with Keune, visit keune.com/NA. To discover more Keune inspiration, connect with us socially on all platforms at Keune and America, #Keune. The technical hotline is available at 1-800-330-9302.